Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to watch HBO Max in UK. This is the easiest method. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any preferred browser on your PC. Then, you'll have to go to the search bar and type in VPN. Hit enter. Now, you will see different kind of VPNs available on this page. You can scroll down and select any one of these VPNs. For example, we have ExpressVPN, VPN Mentor, Turbo VPN, 1.1.1.1 VPN, NordVPN, and different kind of VPNs available. Now you can install and use any one of these VPNs to change your IP address. You can simply click on Start your risk-free trial and get a trial for ExpressVPN. You can select any one of these plans. For example, if I click on Select Plan, I will have to enter my address. Choose credit or debit card or PayPal. That is the way of payment. Through this, I can take a trial. Also, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee plan. After buying this, you can use this ExpressVPN to watch HBO Max in UK. And if you want something free, you can simply navigate to Extension Store. So type in Extension Store on your browser and navigate to the Extension Store. Now, you can search for Urban VPN, hit enter, and click on this Urban VPN. Now I've already installed this VPN, that's why I'm seeing the remove button, but you will see get button here instead of remove. Simply click on get and install this VPN on your browser. After you do this, you will see a small icon at the top like this. When you click on this icon, it will initialize and you will see a play button. Simply click here and this will change your IP address quickly. You can click on the country icon at the top or just click on this text and you can choose the country where you want your IP address to be. For example, I'm choosing USA. After this, I will click on the play icon. This will instantly change my IP address. And after I do this, I can simply navigate to HBO Max website, that is max.com. Click on it and it will show this page where you can see I'm easily able to sign into my HBO Max account. After signing in, I'll be easily able to use HBO Max in UK. So that is a simple way to watch HBO Max in the UK through this easy method. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.